So with this, like you said, I think with every business, there are going to be times. There's going to be things like perfect example. COVID-19 was something nobody planned for. No matter what you did, you couldn't plan for a pandemic. What do you think are some best practices that potential new business owners can put in place to protect themselves? Is it discipline? Is it petty cash? What's going to be the biggest thing that they can work on protecting themselves? So if they run into something like this, they can A, be prepared to still move and be functional, but then B, maybe they need to learn how to pivot. They need to change how their business, how they are doing business or what they're selling. Like, what are some things that you've learned throughout the times that you've been building your businesses?
It's only a couple of things, really. You want to, one, I look at the cash flow. So when you're doing a budget for your business and looking at your profitability, you want to make sure, one, that you can pay yourself, that you can pay your employees, that you have some profit left, right? So when you're budgeting out, expanding, buying more vehicles, tools, equipment, etc., you want to budget, more than what the actual cost of it is, right? So you take, for this example, I paid, $17,000-18,000 for this van. But in my budget, I budget 30% on top of that. So I had enough money to be able to cover a little bit. I would have expected $5,000 worth, I coupled that with my business credit because I have business lines that are readily available for these type of scenarios to be able to swipe the card. Gotcha. So paying the $5,000 to get the van back running as quickly as possible to generate more cash is way more important than me waiting for my insurance to kick in to reimburse me, because if I gotta wait from them, and I tell you, the big thing is when I had the first one happen, it took them like 3 weeks for them to call me back.
Wow.
So I couldn't imagine being out 3 weeks plus the time to get it to be fixed. I would have been up a creek. So
right. I like that. Dang, I like that. So before you even got started, you had your budget for the car, but then added on the extra 30%. So you were ready to cut anything that happened within those first few months of you have your business going, you already had that budgeted into your expenses. That's very smart. That's discipline right there. That's very smart. Dang.